I'm telling you. Yeah. So for be a friend of Gilbert Dyer, may what London in a war. Ohima is Her Majesty Elizabeth II honored him rather with a knighthood and gave him privileges and also blessed his charity with some money. Bad time and all that. If we are here, now me say Gilbert Dyer, there are some to so I would just some want to be say. Nipa does a nini Gilbert Dyer and a tea sorry back and will feed information to the charity commissions and the royal. Apawe, if we are here, one would be a friend in Chambo United Kingdom. They shut his church down and threw him out of the United Kingdom. His citizenship was revoked. Wait. Nipa. Yeah. Musician, no, I must say, dear Drew to Nensamun, you know, their friend is Zahara. Sister, we dear Drew to when you will be a war wareno. This lady was buried on the day of his wedding. Buried! Don't we you? Yeah. Minim say I want to say a dear Benyu. We want to show everything we have to the world. Why? Why do you want to do that? Sister, one panwa person de chire no. Ubi dia odaso no. Se wo no bia enkapoare. But ono kura won ka so de be chire. I will repeat it. I said, yeah. Yeah. It is the empty barrels that are making the noise. The real people, you see, this preaching is not jump around, throw money on the altar. This is the kind of preaching that can make you go like this. If you are wise, you will go there. Be careful. Be very careful. Oh yeah, be very, very careful. When God was speaking to the nation of Israel, Deuteronomy chapter 18 verse number 9, said very clearly to them, Deuteronomy 18, when you are come into the land which the Lord thy God is given or given unto thee, thou shalt not learn to do after the abominations of the nations.